Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back with me, your cool guy. In this video, I would like to show you a new trick, which is a follow-up to my previous video about Jira Automation. So previously, I've been demonstrating to you how to manage the cascading the original estimate from a task into an epic. But now you can do the same nested to not only the subtask, also the task to epic, but also subtask to task. So for example, here, if I put, for example, 45 minutes into above, it will also add up to the next one. Maybe it is too small to notice, but if I add, for example, one day, it will become like additional. This is the last one, which is like 45 minutes, but now it is also 2 days. So basically, it is adds up to the next, right? If I put 3 days, it will also going to the Kanban itself, which is now um, what is it? 3 plus 1 is 4 day, but now the epic is not updated. So what you need to do is basically to make two automation. So one is you make one just like before. Yeah, I will link to you to my previous video, which you can use the type of task. You can update this one. And the next thing is you just need to do the same automation, but for the different type. So if I can copy this one and copy, and then I will make the name will be not task, but subtask to parent. And now I change it into subtask. So now there is two worker, and each worker work basically two different paths. One is updating the task, the other is updating the epic. So now, if I would like to update this one into 4 day from 3 days, it will update the task to 5 days, hopefully, and then the epic will be 5 plus 4, which is 9 days. So we already seen here that the task is updated, but now we need to expect the epic is also updated. So let me see. Give it a few seconds if it's updated or not. Okay, it becomes 2 weeks. Okay, so let's try again. So let's say let's go to the automation itself and see if there is any what is it, any error along the way. So let's go back to project settings, go to the automation, see the one from task, and then see for the audit log. The first one is no action performed because it was the and then there is also a menu to allow other rule to also trigger this rule. So you update this one as well. So now it's been updated. So now if I reduce it into 1 day, I would expect the other one become 2 days, and then the other one becomes 2 days plus 1 week, which is now what it is. So it's pretty neat right now, right? So you need to update the the rule details to allow other rules to be triggered for tasks, and then because this task is updated by the subtask, and now you also need to allow the what is it, also create one for subtask. So the magic is make two things, subtask and task, and for task you need to enable this one, but for subtask, because it is the bottommost of the thing, you don't need to check this one, right? So that's all. So it runs pretty nicely. So if you added this one into 3 days, it will be work just fine, and really neat solution. I hope you are enjoying my discussion, my sharing. But the summary is create the same automation. One is for task, second for subtask, and for task, you want to enable the other rules to trigger that automation. So basically, enable it to do like a recursion. So that's my small tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.